Hey guys, this is Jen from ScanNCut Canvas and SCAL Help on Facebook. This video is a request from Debbie. She had a question if you can make SVG files for the 3D printers for cutout cookies to make the actual cutouts. For the cookie cutters is what I mean. So here is if you want to make a cookie cutter, this is like a popsicle. So what I've done is just place this on the map. And what you're going to do is you're going to be doing like a back minus front and some shadow layering. So what you want to do is you want to build the side part of the file. So that'll be the single layer part. And then you'll want like the thicker top piece if you want. So you'll need a little bit of a thicker part of the image. So what we want to do, let's start this. So the effects, shadow layer. Alright, so we could do however thick you want the side to be. You could do like a 0.2. Alright, click OK. And then highlight both of these. Path, back minus your front. And that will be how thick your actual side piece will be. If you want that thicker, either you can create that in your shadow layer. You can make it like a 0.3 whatever. Or you can come over here. If you change your mind, don't want to go redo that. You can make that in here. You can create that. You can increase it, decrease it, whatever. Let's see, let's do 0.2. See what that does. So you can increase that right there, make it 0.2. So that's how thick that side part will be. Okay, so the part that you're actually pushing down into your cookie piece. So then when you turn it on its side, that will be the thick piece that actually sticks up. Okay, so now this top piece, well, how are you going to get that? All right, well, that's easy. We're going to actually come in here, Effects. Let's do our shadow layer again. Okay, well, let's change this color so we can see what we're actually getting. I'll make it a blue. Okay, let's do like a let's do a 0.8. I'm just going to hit enter. Does that look like that's going to be enough? Let's do a 0.9. Enter. Does that look thick enough? Let's just go full 1. Okay, so that looks good. Okay. So here is our side, and here is our top piece. Okay. So then when you put it into your 3D printer, you can print as many layers of this as you need to capture the thickness of your side. Be it 3/4 of an inch, a full inch, however thick you want that to be. So you're going to build up an inch of this. And then this, however thick you want this to be, so that this is going to actually sit on top of this. Okay. And I've had a problem getting that to actually work right. There, that looks good. So that's going to sit on top of that, be glued together. Okay, so you put that together however it works in your 3D printer. Okay, but that is how you will build your file. If you need to separate it, you can do so. And then send it over to your printer. If you need to create your second page, feel free to do that. Because I've never used a 3D printer, so I don't know how you will create your file. But that is how you build it. All right, guys? Debbie, I hope this helps you. Have a good night, guys. Thanks.